In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to your Instagram shopping. Now, to get started, first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Meta Business Suite. Now, in here, make sure that your Facebook Business Suite is connected to your Instagram account. Now, to do that, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on the settings icon. Now, on the settings page, just go ahead and click on Instagram accounts. In here, go ahead and click on the add button. Now, go ahead and click on connect your Instagram account. Now, make sure to sign in to your Instagram account in this page. To be able to connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite, you'll need to convert your personal account to a professional account. Now, once you have your Instagram account connected to your Meta Business Suite, go ahead and head over to your Wix dashboard. Now, in here, navigate to the channel section and click on Instagram Shop. Follow the prompts to connect your Facebook business page and Instagram profile to Wix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this got up to you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.